Hey guys, Future Gabe here. Before we get started with the video, I just wanted to say that this video was recorded a few months ago and that I no longer have this build. However, a video of my current PC will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that, let's get started. Alright, this is how to upgrade a CPU. This is useless. Get the old Phenom 2 945 X4 out of there. I don't need that anymore. Xeon, Pentium, i3, Athlon 64, FX, X6, no. Ah, here it is. Yes, this. Oh, and also grab some more RAM because I think I'm gonna need it. Put the RAM in. CPU. Yep, that's right. Put it down, put the cooler back on, tighten it, plug these back in. That did not go in. Close the case. I drive ahead laying around, because why not? Close the case. Put it back up. Turn the power supply on and see if it still boots. Looks like it. Let's see. Yep, there we go. That is how to upgrade a CPU.